This is Nazira Abdul Jabbar. I'm a certified professional coder and I have completed my medical coding course under the mentorship of Neetu ma'am. I'm really overwhelmed to have a training session from her that I even managed to clear out my CPC exams in the first attempt. After completing my course, I moved to United Arab Emirates in search of the job. And even without having a nil experience, being a medical coder, I had full confidence that I will be able to get placed in any of the sector as a medical coder. And with my mentor's blessings and God's grace, I joined to the hospital sector as an insurance medical coder. I've been working with a day case hospital since 2 years, and I have been handling both the outpatient and the inpatient claims. The streams I have been handling are the pre-approvals, the submissions, resubmissions, reconciliations, etc. For all the ones who are there inspired by the medical coding and aspiring to be a medical coder, I would like to say that there are a wave of opportunities for you guys. You have to just be on your track, learn as much as you can, and just love this journey, because there are various streams that you can get into, be it in a hospital side, be it in a insurance payer sides. There are different streams, there are different departments like the pre-authorization department, submission department, resubmission, reconciliation department, even medical claims auditing also. So it's just that you have to be focused and just wait for a good call of interviews.